Hi, my name is Jack. Today I'm hiking in North Cascades National Park located in Washington State.
We're at Thunder Knob Trail and we're gonna go hiking today. Let's go!
This is a 1.5-mile trail. Leads to the vista of Diablo Lake.
Now I'm gonna go cross the bridge. When you go hiking, you must follow the trail sign and know your surroundings. It's very cool over here.
I like hiking because you never know what you're going to see the next.
It's called photosynthesis. Yo! Wow, look at this kind of spider web. Oh, I see a spider in the middle. And the spider web is so shiny. Here has a viewpoint with the mountain and the snow.
Hiking also teaches me never give up. Sometimes you feel tired, do not want to continue the destination, but don't give up because you already make so much effort to reach the halfway. What you needed is keep going and achieve your goal.
I almost reached the summit, and you see the lake? It is turquoise blue. Do you know why the lake is turquoise blue color?
The unique, vibrant blue lake is attributed to the surrounding glaciers. The glacier water grinds the rocks into fine powder, which is also called glacier flour, then carried by the creek into the lake, giving the water turquoise blue color. If you're feeling a little bit blue, a trip to Diablo Lake can help you change your mood. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe my channel if you like my video. Please give a like.